tried to get out the room, but then we caused too much energy.
We're gonna do a reenactment.
Reenactment.
Okay, let's go. Oh, there are dogs out there. This is the door. Go. What? Do it.
Okay, fine. I'll just say it, okay?
Do it.
Janelle runs out of the door. Okay, wait. Okay, Janelle runs out the door. And then there's a dog there.
Look, it's running.
She's dead. Come on, let's all. Oh, we should go to the basement.
Oh.
Why? There are dogs out there. They fix it.
Okay, hold on. Close the lights. I'll do it. Oh, okay, Janelle's gonna do it. Relax it! Okay. Run to the next room! Run! Mission accomplished!